Imagine a world where you can get high without taking any drugs. A world where you can experience the most intense emotions and sensations without any risk of overdose. That world is here, and it's called digital drugs. Digital drugs are a new and emerging technology that uses sound, light, and vibration to stimulate the brain and alter consciousness. They can be used to induce a wide range of effects, from relaxation and euphoria to hallucinations and altered states of awareness. Digital drugs are a type of technology that uses sound, light, and vibration to stimulate the brain and alter consciousness. They can be delivered through a variety of devices, including headsets, glasses, and even smartphones. Digital drugs work by stimulating different parts of the brain that are involved in emotion, perception, and cognition. For example, some digital drugs target the dopamine system, which is responsible for feelings of pleasure and reward. Others target the serotonin system, which plays a role in mood and regulation. There are many different types of digital drugs, but some of the most common include binaural beats. Binaural beats are created by playing two slightly different tones in each ear. This can produce a variety of effects, such as relaxation, focus, and altered states of awareness. Isochronic tones. Isochronic tones are single tones that are pulsed at a specific frequency. This can also produce a variety of effects, such as altered states of consciousness, meditation, and hypnosis. Light and sound stimulation can be used to induce a variety of effects, such as relaxation, euphoria, and altered states of consciousness. Digital drugs have the potential to offer a number of benefits, including enhanced creativity and problem-solving. Digital drugs can help to improve cognitive function and creativity, improved mood and well-being. Digital drugs can be used to treat a variety of mental health conditions, such as anxiety and depression. Pain relief. Digital drugs can be used to relieve pain and improve quality of life for people with chronic conditions. However, digital drugs also have some potential risks, such as addiction. Digital drugs can be addictive, especially for people who are already prone to addiction. Mental health problems. Digital drugs can trigger mental health problems, such as anxiety and psychosis, in people who are vulnerable. Seizures. Digital drugs can trigger seizures in people who have a history of seizures. There are a number of ethical concerns surrounding digital drugs, such as informed consent. It is important to ensure that people are fully informed of the potential risks and benefits of digital drugs before using them. Regulation. Digital drugs are currently unregulated in most countries, which raises concerns about safety and quality. Access. Digital drugs should be accessible to people who need them, but it is important to prevent them from falling into the wrong hands. Digital drugs are a new and emerging technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we treat mental health conditions, enhance cognitive function, and even alter our consciousness. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks and ethical concerns before using digital drugs. Digital drugs are a powerful tool with the potential to change our lives for the better. However, it is important to use them responsibly and with caution.